If you need to close your Cash App account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. This guide will help you navigate the steps needed to close your account safely. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to close. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the account balance at the top right corner of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Find the Close Account option. Scroll down in the account settings menu until you find the option that says Close Account or Deactivate Account. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Follow the prompts. You will be prompted to confirm your decision to close the account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, which may include entering your password or confirming your identity. Step 5. Confirm closure. After completing the prompts, you will receive a confirmation that your account has been closed. Ensure that you have withdrawn any remaining balance before finalizing the closure. Once you have completed these steps, your Cash App account will be closed. Make sure to keep any necessary records of your transactions before proceeding.